So we're going to be finding the LCM of of some numbers which are algebraic expression. Do you understand? So now let's move on. LCM, find the LCM of 6x and 8x squared. It is very, very simple. So what are you going to do? So this is what you're going to do. So do your 6x, make a table again, write your 8x squared, make another table. So now do like this. So now look for numbers that will go at least in one of the algebraic expression. Do you understand? So now let's start with 2. 2 can go in 6 and can also go in 8. So just since 2 can go in both, you can use it. But if it can actually go in one of the numbers or one of the algebraic expression, you can still use it. Do you understand? So let's start with 2. 2 in 6x will give you 3x, right? 2 in 8 will give you 4, which will now be 4x squared, right? Can 2 still go here? 2 can go here, but it might not go here. So we are still going to use 2. 2, since it cannot go here, write your 3x out. Since it cannot go, just write it out again. But it can go here, right? So it should now be 2x squared. Can 2 still go? Yes. Write your 2. Since 2 cannot go here, write it out again. Do you understand? So 2 in 2 will give you 1x squared. Instead of writing 1x squared, just write your s squared. Do you understand? So now can 2 still go? No. There's no 2 cannot go in any of the numbers again. But 3 can still go here. So write your 3. 3 in 3s will give you s, right? 3 cannot go in s squared. So just write your s squared like that. Do you understand? So now, what we are done with numbers. Numbers is no more there in the expression. So now, remain alphabet, right? Now let's check for x. X can go, right? X. S in s will give you 1, right? S in s squared will still remain 1s, right? So, what again? S can still go. S in 1 will still give you 1. S in x will give you 1. So I think we are done. So now we are done. Do you understand? So now what are we going to do? To find the LCM, that will not write. So you write your what? What are you going to do now? So to find the LCM, this is what you are gonna do. You would all ensure that you multiply all the numbers here all together. Do you understand? So that is what you are going to do. So your LCM will now give you what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times s times s. Do you get it? 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times s times s. That's what I wrote down here. Do you understand? So now, which will now give you what? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times s, right? So it should now give you 24 s squared. So that is your LCM. You can see it is very, very simple. Now, if this video has really helped you, kindly like, share, also comment. Do you understand? So don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. Let's move on to the next question, which is 4ab and 6a squared b. You have to find the LCM. So what are you going to do? You write your word 4ab out, right? Then also write your 6a squared b, right? So look for those numbers. You know how we do it now. So what are those numbers that can go? 2 can go. 2 in 4, remaining 2ab here, 3a squared b, right? 2 can still go, which will now give you ab. 2 cannot go here, just write your a squared b like that, 3a squared b. 2 is done, remain 3. 3 can go. 3 cannot go here, write your ab like that. 3 can go here, which will now be a squared b. We are done with numbers, so remain alphabet, right? A can go. This one remain b. This one still be ab, right? A can still go. A This one still remain your A, B, because it cannot go. This one, A will cancel, A will remain B, right? B can go, right? B in B, 1, B in B, 1. So I think we are done with that. So this is what we're gonna do. So write your 4AB, right? No, you don't need to write that. Just find your LCM. Your LCM, you give you what? The numbers on this column, right? The numbers on this column. So start, that'll be 2 times 2 times 3 times A times A times B. Do you understand? 2 times 2 times 3 times A times A times B. The numbers on this column, right? So it should not be what? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4 is what? 12. 12. Right, so 12 times A times A times B. You understand? So 12 times A times A is A squared, right? Times B, which is about 12A squared B. So that is your LCM. Do you understand? It is very, very simple.